Hey there, here are two different ways that you can take a screenshot on your iPhone. So the first one is a button combo, and we're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Let's do that now. 3, 2, 1, and there we have a screenshot. We have some buttons along the top. The X cancels the screenshot and dumps it. We have a pen icon, which will allow you to select a pen or an eraser. With a pen, you can draw on the screen. With the eraser, you can remove that drawing. Next to that, we have the share, which will allow you to share it with WhatsApp or any other person, or with Beside that, we have the share button, which will allow you to share that with friends. And providing you want to keep it, just press the tick. We have the option to save to photos, and that's where it is saved. The second way we can take a screenshot is using our friend SIRI. I apologize if this triggers your phones, but I'm just going to say, Siri, take screenshot. And there we have a screenshot similar to the last, with the same options that we can save to our photos, and now we have two different ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone. Let me know which way you think is best, and if you have any other ways of taking screenshots, put it in the comments and share. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day ahead.